A primary distraction for many people is their cell phone. People may be tempted by curiosity or by urgency to check or answer their cell phone every time they see or hear a notification. Each time you check a notification on your cell phone, you are succumbing to a time robber and negatively impacting your ability to manage your time and remain productive. The solution to eliminate cell phone distractions is to disable your text message, email, social media, and other notifications on your phone. If you cannot bear to disable your notifications on your phone, at the very least, you should refrain from checking or responding to notifications while completing a task. You should complete the task and then check the notification. If you disable your notifications, you will not be distracted by them while completing your tasks. As an alternative to being distracted by a constant barrage of notifications while you are working through your prioritized daily task list or your time block schedule, you should only check notifications at designated times throughout the day. For example, in the morning, after lunch, in late afternoon, and or during breaks between scheduled tasks. Regardless of the times you designate to check your notifications, you should specify the amount of time you will spend checking notifications and not exceed it. That way, you will not squander time on your notifications and will be able to continue to make progress on your prioritized daily task list or time block schedule as you manage your time and remain productive.